Hi guys, my name is Gaurav Anchal and I am a senior GIS officer and I am starting a new course with you on advanced remote sensing and GIS. I will cover in this course, I will cover almost 10 units which is based on uh, Google Earth Engine. Uh, in Google Earth Engine, we will introduce Google Earth Engine, how to upload raster and vector datasets, and how you can use AI to generate GE script. And I will tell you how you can access the satellite data, Sentinel-1, Sentinel-2, Landsat, and the image visualization and export. How you can export the satellite imagery and import in uh, ArcGIS, and then how you can access data from the servers using ArcGIS website, ArcGIS product. And for basics, satellite image acquisition from the open data portals, uh, we will use Landsat, Sentinel-2, Copernicus, List4, STDM, SRTM, soil texture, and the the fourth chapter we will do spectral and image analysis. We will work on NDVI, EVI, NDWI, NDBI, built-up index basically, and application of spectral indices. In the next chapter, we will introduce land use land cover map using machine learning and ArcPy. Uh, we will create land use land cover map using ArcGIS, not image processing softwares, and how ArcPy or Python script can make easiest way to generate a uh, classified satellite imagery using machine learning algorithm. We will use random forest and SVM classifier to generate classified image, and then we will see how land use change detection can predict and how statisticals and map generation is uh, done. And the next chapter is hydrological analysis using GIS, and the vector analysis, crop identification using remote sensing. In this chapter, we will see crop phenological analysis, crop classification using SVM classifier or random forest, and NDVI time series analysis. And the next chapter is GIS based water resource assessment, and how we can extract surface water, uh, for example, reservoir, lake, water, uh, river water extraction over the period of time. How flood mapping can be done using SAR imagery. We will use microwave data sets. Flood impact assessment, how much land is affected during the flood, and groundwater fluctuations map, pre-monsoon and post-monsoon analysis of groundwater. And the next is water resource monitoring and change reduction, how a river is change over the period of time and how much water is during and pre and monsoon season. So we will see change directions over the period of time around a river or lake or reservoir. Okay. And the last chapter will be our on multi-criteria decision making and the site suitability mapping using GIS. We will run a model using MCDA method and overlay analysis. So guys, if you are willing to interested in this course, please contact me on this my number. And this course will be around complete within 2 months, and I will teach you theoretical and hands-on exercise. These exercise based on totally hands-on exercise. I will sit with you. I will one by one teach you each and every aspects. If you are interested or do you have any query related to these units, and you can also learn only one or two exercise also. For example, if you are interested in hydrological analysis, I can teach you. Okay. If you are only interested in crop analytical using how you can classify the crop I will teach you. So it's depend on you what you want to learn. If you are interested in only flood mapping, we can also do it. You know, if you are interested in multi-criteria decision analysis, we can work on it. It's depend on you what you want to learn. And please contact me if you have any query. Okay, thank you.